Daniel was a shy student who loved visiting the old town library after school. While other students played games outside, he preferred sitting quietly among dusty shelves, reading books and dreaming about a future that felt bigger than his present life. Welcome to English Learning Sphere. This channel is here to help you speak English easily and confidently. Let's learn together with simple stories and clear speaking practice. So, Daniel's family struggled financially, and buying books was impossible for them. The library became Daniel's safe place where knowledge was free. Every evening, he walked there with excitement, greeting the librarian politely and choosing a book with careful attention. One rainy afternoon, Daniel noticed a strange book lying on a table. It looked older than the others, with torn corners and faded letters. Curious, he picked it up gently and read the title, which promised lessons about courage and perseverance. As he turned the pages, Daniel discovered handwritten notes inside the book margins. Someone had written encouraging messages beside important paragraphs. The words felt personal, as if a stranger from the past was speaking directly to him about never giving up. One message caught his attention deeply. It said, "Success begins when fear ends." Daniel read the sentence several times. He realized that fear had always stopped him from speaking confidently in class or sharing his ideas with teachers and classmates. Inspired by the words, Daniel decided to change his habits slowly. The next day, he raised his hand during class for the first time. His voice trembled slightly, but he answered the teacher's question correctly, earning a small but meaningful smile. Weeks passed, and Daniel continued reading the mysterious book daily. Each note pushed him to try something new. He joined school discussions, completed assignments early, and even volunteered to help classmates who struggled with difficult lessons or confusing homework questions. One afternoon, the librarian approached Daniel and asked about the book he had been reading regularly. Daniel shared his thoughts excitedly. The librarian listened carefully, then revealed that the book once belonged to a former student who achieved remarkable success years ago. The librarian explained that the previous owner had donated the book before leaving town. He believed future students would find courage within its pages. Daniel felt honored to read something so meaningful, as if he had inherited strength from someone unknown. Motivated by this discovery, Daniel started setting clear goals for himself. He planned daily study hours and practiced speaking English aloud. Though mistakes happened often, he refused to feel embarrassed. Instead, he treated every mistake as another step toward improvement. Months later, Daniel participated in a school speech competition. Standing on stage, he remembered the words written inside the old book. His confidence grew as he spoke clearly. When he finished, the audience clapped loudly, filling his heart with unforgettable pride. After winning second place in the competition, Daniel returned to the library with gratitude. He placed a small note inside the same book, writing encouraging words for the next reader. He hoped another student would discover courage just as he once did. Years later, Daniel became a teacher who inspired students daily. Whenever he entered a classroom, he remembered the old library and the mysterious book. That simple discovery had shaped his journey, proving that small inspirations can create powerful lifelong transformations. If this story inspired you and helped your English speaking practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Learning Sphere. Comment below, what book or message changed your life the most? Keep practicing daily and never stop learning.